In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a circle photo in Canva, a simple yet powerful tool for all your design needs. Whether you're trying to create a professional looking profile picture or you just want to enhance a graphic with a neatly cropped image, Canva makes this process straightforward and deeply satisfying. To start, open Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll want to choose the design type that best fits your needs, whether that's a social media post, a presentation, or any other format. Once your project is open, we can get started. First, head over to the Elements tab on the sidebar. The Elements section is where all the fun shapes, icons, and frames reside, which you can use to spice up your design. Next, within the Elements section, locate and click on Frame. Frames in Canva work like placeholders for your images. They allow you to perfectly position and crop your photos into specific shapes. You'll find an array of frames to choose from, ranging from simple squares to intricate illustrations. Browse through the frames and select the circle frame. This is the key to cropping your image into a perfect circle. When you click on the circle frame, it will automatically appear on your canvas. The next step involves uploading your photo. Click on the Uploads tab in the sidebar, which is just a little above the Elements tab. Here is where you can bring your own photos into the design. You can either upload a new image from your device by clicking on the Upload Files button, or use an image that you've previously uploaded to Canva. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to bring everything together. Select the photo you've uploaded by clicking on it, and drag it onto the circle frame you've placed on your canvas. This action will automatically fit the image within the circle frame, cropping it into a neat circle shape. If the photo hasn't aligned perfectly in the frame, you can double click on the image within the frame and adjust it until it's positioned just right. And there you go, you've successfully used Canva to crop a photo into a circle. This technique not only looks great, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your design work. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different frames and photos until you achieve your desired look. I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Canva creations. Stay creative and don't hesitate to explore the countless possibilities Canva offers. Thanks for watching and happy designing.